So, dear students, welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School. We are here again on our YouTube channel. We are learning here the social studies subject class 4. So, let's move on and go to our new topic. Today's topic is regarding the physical map of any particular place. Here we are going to study the map reading, that too in particularly the physical map of any particular place. So let's see what is meant by a physical map and how to read that physical map. Let's start. What is the meaning of the physical map? A physical map is a map which shows the physical features of a particular place or the country or the world. In the sense, you can say it shows the rivers, mountains, forests, the plateaus and hills and all such kind of physical features. The physical map is showing by using different colors. All the physical features are shown on that physical map by using different colors. The physical map, you might have seen the physical map, and on that you are having different colors filled in that map. So these are nothing but the color scheme. This is nothing but the color scheme that is used to show the different physical features of that particular place. You might have seen different colors like blue color. The blue color is always used to show the rivers and the lakes, or instead you can say the water bodies. The best, you can say the water bodies like the lakes and rivers are always shown in blue color. There are some places on the earth surface which is having very low elevation or very low height if you compare it with the mean sea level. The sea level, if you compare that height of that particular area with the sea level, it is little less, it could be little high. So based on that height of the physical feature, the colors are used. Like for example, here you can see the places of low elevation are always shown in the green color. As the height of that particular place goes on increasing at some place, then the color in the map goes on decreasing, or you can say it becomes lighter and lighter. In the same way, hills and mountains are also shown by using different colors here. Let's read the map with the example of map of India here. Let's take an example of map of India here. There is a map in front of you. So you might have seen this map many times. This is a map of physical India, or you can say it is a physical map of India. You are having two kinds of map. One is the political, one is the physical. So this one is the physical map of our India on our screen. So you might have you are able to see here many colors are used here. Like you can find the brown color is used, the green color is used. Just now we have discussed that green is regarding low height of that particular place. It means that wherever green color you are able to see, that particular place is having little less height. You are also able to see the yellow color. Somewhere you are able to find the light green color. It means that the height of that particular area is little above of that of sea level. So which particular color is used for showing a particular kind of physical features? So let's see, here is in front of you a box given here. On one side you are having the colors, and on one side you are having the physical features. So try to match these colors with the map of India provided here. First you are having the green color. Plain areas, that is plain is a physical feature. So plain areas are always shown in the green color in the physical map of a particular place. In the same way, tall mountains, for tall mountains purple and white color is used. For the plateaus, yellowish color is used. For water or for the rivers or the lakes, mostly blue color is used. And to show the hills, everyone remember that mountains are very high and hills are having little less height than that of the mountain. You have already learned the physical features. You are having those videos on our YouTube. You might have seen those. So tall mountains are used. These represent the purple and white color in the physical map of India, and the hills, for representing the hills in the physical map of any particular place, mostly brown color is used. So this is a color scheme in the physical map where you can construct and you can do it on your own. You can read the map on your own based on the colors. You can just observe the colors and you can say that this particular place is having the mountains, this particular place is having a plain area, this particular place is having some rivers or lakes are there. Okay, so this was the physical map. This was the map reading. I think you have understood. So we need to stop here. In next video, we will be coming with our new topic. Till then, bye everyone.